Thank you for tuning in for part 3 of this General Aviation Day Out. In this video, I am departing the Spartanburg Downtown Airport on the return flight to Monroe, North Carolina. As the video begins, I am taking runway 23 at Spartanburg. I already have my IFR clearance, which is cleared as filed. After departure, fly runway heading. Maintain 3,000, expect 5,000 10 minutes after departure. And off we go. Landing gear up.
Gear in transit and gear up and locked.
I key up rear approach on my number 1 comm with a push of a button. There it goes. Looking at the chart, my return flight is direct logs. Direct Monroe.
Rear approach 98 Juliet Golf with you, find the runway heading out of 1300.
Number 98 Juliet Golf, clear departure, ident, ground number 3017.
3017 and there's the ident.
Number 98 Juliet Golf, radar contact mile southwest Spartanburg Airport, climb and maintain 5,000, turn left, direct Monroe.
Left to direct Monroe, do you mean direct locks that we got plugged in here, is that okay?
Number 8 Juliet Golf, turn left, direct lock.
98 Juliet Golf, left direct to locks.
Carrier 7 Alpha Papa, turn right, direct Dude, 8 miles from Dude, maintain 4,000 until Dude, cleared RNF, runway 19 approach.
Coming back to climb power.
Southwest 846, clear approach, fly heading 050, vector to final, descend and maintain 10,000. 75 Tango Foxtrot, turn left direct Z car, contact Atlanta Center 135.35.
Left direct Z car 135.35, 5 Tango Foxtrot, see ya.
Rear 98 Juliet Golf, if you gave us up to 5,000, I missed it.
Number 98 Juliet Golf, maintain 5,000, clear direct locks.
Direct locks up to 5, 98 Juliet Golf.
Number 324 Quebec, you're 5 miles from Jamam, maintain 3,000 until 2 cop, cleared RNF runway 23 approach.
Climbing through a cloud layer here.
70 Delta Sierra, descend and maintain 4,000.
0 Delta Sierra is out of 6 for 4. Climbing through 3.
Number 44339 group approach, ground altimeter 3017.
Let's take up 080, that'll give me about a 10 to 15 degree intercept.
Number 24 Quebec, are you planning to do a full stop or a miss approach? Number 24 Quebec, roger, you can execute the published miss, return to this frequency.
Alright, I got a course needle starting to center, which is good news.
Number 78 Romeo Juliet, descend and maintain 4,000. Beach 300 Whiskey, climb and maintain 4,000. Romeo Juliet, roger.
Out of 4.
Southwest 846, descend and maintain 5,000.
36 Yankee didn't miss the call, did we?
Number 69 Yankee, negative. Number 47 Mike Echo, turn left heading 130. You're going to pass through the center airspace, but I can't get them on the line. I just need to delay you for a minute.
4.5 for 5,000.
Aerostar 47 Mike Echo, turn left heading 130.
Fuel pop up. Still got fuel pressure. I'll go ahead and cut my landing light off.
Carrier 7 Alpha Papa, contact Rainbow Tower. Number 0 Delta Papa, 12 miles from Unman, maintain 4,000 Unman, cleared RNF, runway 19er.
And here's 5,000. Level off.
Was that call for 0 Delta Sierra?
Number 0 Delta Sierra, maintain 4,000 Unman, cleared RNF, runway 19er, approach.
Cleared 19er approach. At above 4,000.
Number 78 Romeo Juliet, turn right direct dude. Number 7 Mike Echo, turn right direct Ocala.
33, what is it? 33775. Hear it.
I'm setting 133.775 into my number 2 comm to see if I can pick up the weather at Monroe. But that is a no-go right now. I'll have to wait till I get closer.
Southwest 846, turn left heading 035. And Southwest 846, maintain 5,000. Traffic 1 o'clock, 10 miles northwestbound at 4,000 is a diamond.
All right.
590 Charlie Juliet, 11.5 for 11,000.
Number 590 Charlie Juliet, group, expect the RNF runway 23 approach. Wind 25088, ceiling 1,600 broken, altimeter 3017.
3017, expect the RNF 23, Charlie Juliet.
Airstar 47 Mike Echo, contact Augusta, approach 126.8. Cherokee 50 Zulu, contact Atlanta Center 127.5.
I'm thinking that I will likely get a handoff to Charlotte any minute now.
Cherokee 2150 Zulu, contact Atlanta Center 127.5. November 9 or 8 Juliet Golf, contact Charlotte, approach 120.05.
120.05 for 98 Juliet Golf. See you later.
November 324 Quebec, change to advisory, frequency approved. Citation 0 Charlie Juliet, descend and maintain.
Runway 20 Concord.
206 Juliet. And 98 Juliet Golf with you, Charlotte, level 4, correction, 5,000.
November 9 or 8 Juliet Golf, short approach, Charlotte, Team Rescue 016, advising you the weather at Monroe, expect the RNAV runway 5.
We'll expect that for 98 Juliet Golf.
98 Juliet Golf, did you have the weather?
Negative, we're working on it.
Number 98 Juliet Golf, when able, proceed direct and faded.
When able, direct shift faded for 98 Juliet Golf.
Fated is a fix on Monroe's RNAV runway 23, located here. And I'll be flying toward it from the west. Still no luck on being able to hear the ASOS at Monroe.
November 695 Alpha Alpha, climb maintain 4,000.
This seems like a good spot to end this video. Watch for part 4, the arrival back at Monroe. Until then, remember, life is a journey. Enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching.